Had we ever wondered about a small, agile predator that roamed North America during the late Cretaceous? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind the lizard bird thief, Saurornitholestes. Saurornitholestes, meaning lizard bird thief, is a genus of carnivorous dromaeosaurid theropod dinosaur from the late Cretaceous found in Canada and parts of the United States. This small bipedal meat-eater lived about 77 to 74 million years ago. Two species have been named, Saurornitholestes langstoni, found in 1978, and S. sullivani, discovered in 2015. These dinosaurs were equipped with a sickle claw on their feet, which they used for hunting. Saurornitholestes langstoni was first recognized in the Upper Campanian of Alberta, Canada. Incomplete skeletons and dozens of isolated bones have been found in Dinosaur Provincial Park. These small dinosaurs were about the size of a coyote, with agile builds that made them fearsome predators. They roamed regions from Alberta to New Mexico and even as far east as Alabama. Saurornitholestes shared many traits with its more famous relative, Velociraptor. Both were equipped for swift and precise hunting in their respective environments, showcasing the diversity of dromaeosaurid dinosaurs. The discovery and study of Saurornitholestes have provided valuable insights into the lifestyles and evolutionary patterns of small theropods during the late Cretaceous period. So there you have it. Saurornitholestes was a true predator of its time, with remarkable features that allowed it to thrive. What did you find most fascinating? Let me know in the comments.